Mokaibari, are you sure? You rode end of the road, oh? Eh. Oh, ending, yeah. I think, I don't know. I don't think, I'm not thinking anything. Guys, look where we are. Hey guys, welcome to this vlog. So we are here for soil sample collection. Right now we are at Lower Sako. Me and Karmaching, we don't have that much idea about this place. That's why we asked Sangeeta's help. Guys, Lower Sako is dense again. I'll show you. Everything got is not like the rest of this GPU. And guys, मेरो last time को vlog चाहिँ नि यही टिप्ने हो. मेरो last time को vlog चाहिँ it was kind of depressing, but yeah, I'm okay right now. Uncle lunch.
60 आयो काँटा त पक्रिँदा
Guys, look at us.
पानी पर्दैछ
खानु सक्नु पाएँ.
यो सुन्तलाको फ्लेभर कि यता कान्न पर्छ
धन कत्रो डरके आयो पानी. यो त पानी
हेलमेट टिकै छ होला कि अन्त लगाएको यो टाउको दुख्छ
चुप ल बाई बाई. ल
राति टाइममा सुत्नु होला
ल जो हेर्नुहोस्. कत्रो आयो पानी फेरि है. Hey guys, it is started raining again. Again, अलिकति रन्दाखेरि चाहिँ we start moving, no? Without us finishing it today, but it is started raining all of a sudden. That's why now we are going back. Me, I'm taking shortcut with Sangeeta because roadway is not good. Kala tamina jस्तो लाग्यो नि कि. That's why beautiful roads. That's why I'm going with Sangeeta and Karma sitting here and wait for me somewhere up there. यो जग्गा त पुरा रोड पुगेको जस्तो लाग्दो रहेछ. रोड पुगेको जस्तो लाग्दो रहेछ. अब यो उकालो यहाँदेखि चाहिँ माझीटार अम्म जङ्गलै जङ्गल
एसएमआइटीहरू देख्दैछ अहिले फगी लाग्यो अलि
उत्तरको अब चाहिँ यहाँदेखि उकालो आम्म छड्के पानी आएको हेर्नु न यो
यस्तो गर्नु यताबाट आउँदैछ
guys it's windy अम्बो उडाउने छ यो डाँडामा पानीले त मार्न त्यो त हामीलाई त्यहाँ उयो बसौँ भन्दा मैले छैन जानु तपाईँ त म यसो यसो गर्दै उता जान्छु
हिँड्दै हिँड्दै जाने
बाई बाई थ्याङ्क यू कहाँ जानु ओके गाइस सो सङ्गीता she went back home. Her home is at Khani. So she went and I'm taking this road because I have to meet Karmachiring somewhere on the way. And so, last week I was feeling so lazy to work, but this week I'm feeling better. मेरो मात्रै लाइफमा मेरो मात्रै काम कहाँ साह्रो होइन somewhere out there you guys are also suffering because of your work life, your personal life, but it gets better. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and that's life. It's fine. Here's my view. यसो सोच्दा त हरेस लाग्दो नि भि कसको जग्गामा आएर एक्लै यसो रोडमा हिँड्दाखेरि त है पानी झरीमा त्यो पनि भिज्यो पानीले पुरा जङ्गल रहेछ कि क्या डरलाग्दो पानी पर्दै थियो नि मर्यो थाकेर we are going back. I just hope बाटोमा पानी नपरोस्. Hey guys, so from Karmachiring's house till here, I came by our Kailas car and I thought of going to Giram directly, okay, because there is Gesar. मेरो त हालत खराब भइछ त so Giramma चाहिँ Gesar छ भनेर I thought of going there directly, but आइपिएममा कसरी आइ गरेर I heard like that, no. मैले उता रहेको त पर आइपिएममा नानी बोकेर रोडमा स्टाइल मार्दै रहेछ कि. So guys, let's go and meet Gesar and I'm there. के छ आज त्यहाँ आधा चौनु नि तपाईँ प्लिज एकदम आइपिएममा हो कि Gesar नाम्गे Gesar के Gesar आमजुङ चाहिँ मर्नु म थाकेर आकेसम्म पक्रिनु Gesar प्लिज सुङ्ग न त्यहाँ आमजुङ फेरि प्लिज सुङ्ग न त्यहाँ आमजुङ फेरि. Guys, it's been so long since I didn't give update about this Giram house, so here it is. यसपालि लसुङमा त एन्ट्री पनि हुन्छ यो घरभित्र. इङ्गे Gesar आयो सबै महिलाहरू छ. Oh my god, handsome. पनि कमेन्टहरू छ गाडीमा. आइ गुरु नि पछाडि. भाइ कहाँ छिन्छन्? के हाल खान्दै मिन्टु छ त्यहाँ? हाई खै कुजङ बापा आमा दिँदैछ भाइ देखान म मलाई बाई बाई फ्या भन्न दिला बाई बाई फ्या भन्न मेट्यौ खै गुड बोय. हेलो दर्शन बा के भन्छ? Guys, look what is this.
green and green.
This is green and green. Guess they can medal. Can they? Okay. I'm too she bana. Won't pressure. Please, bana. Lamb patty. Lamb patty, please. I'm doing call. La? Okay, please. Okay.
Abang gila dikananya. Abang gila dikananya.
Hey guys, so Youngzam is here. And we are going to have this typo. Thanks to Sugimba. Huh? Anda is also there, no? Anda thoda liter kayo. I'm going to repeat the same thing tomorrow, so I won't be vlogging tomorrow. But boli chi mero soil sample collection will get over. So congratulations, Balani. Congratulations! Finally.
Abang gila ni. Itu kok. Kan? Ibu tu. Dia apa okey, no? Okey lah. Okey. Okey lah. Okey sila.
Is it okay? Okay guys, so we are going to have this. We are going to drink this coffee. Your coffee I didn't manage dino bago, so let's taste. Let's taste. I come to Kanton, right? Basta mo come to Banesun. I don't know how this coffee will be taste, so let's see, okay? Let's see, okay, everybody? Okay, so let's give it a try. Wow. Nice. La. I go to the mesa. Look at the dami. What's the sitar dekho? कसैको बुढाले त अब लुगा किन लिएर आउँछ सिलगढी देख्यो अब आफ्नो त अब सपना सबै देखो देखो Okay guys, so I'm going to enjoy this coffee. This coffee is not bad at all, so yeah. Everyone, thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it.